This will be in your notebook, and I'm sorry for how everything is in 5,000 different places. I'm trying to figure out how to streamline them. Please just be patient with me. And for grammar this week, we're going to be working on sentences. I know some of you have got these down, you know exactly what it is. Um, but right now, we're just going to focus on the basics, give you a little bit of review to go from there. And if you read right here, it says a sentence is a group of words that shows a complete thought. The cat played with string. If I just said that to you, you would know exactly what I'm talking about. You could picture in your head a cat playing with a string. That's a sentence. A sentence fragment is a group of words that doesn't show a complete thought. Drove the car. Now think to yourself, if I said that, do you know exactly what I'm talking about? Do you know who or what is driving the car? No, all you know is there's a car going down the road. And then you guys know this, but we're just going to review it. Every sentence has to start with a capital letter, and every sentence has to end with a punctuation mark. It doesn't always have to be a period. It could be a question mark, an exclamation point. Um, but that's how we will know when a sentence is done. What you need to do is read each group of words on the lines, write sentence if it is a sentence, or fragment if it's not. If you want to just put an S for sentence and an F for fragment, go for it. Make sure you keep this in your binder because it will be collected.